Hello everyone. I will tell you how to make a game like spider square style game like this one. I will tell you step by step like this one. Yeah, it is exactly as how the spider square is. Let's start a new project in Unity. Name it as spider square. Take it as 2D. Create. Yes. Make. Let me make a folder for scenes, and this one for scripts, and this one for materials. I have created these materials in Photoshop. You can use any software if you want. This is a player. I have done this player. Before that, yeah, it is an Android game. So we need to change the player settings. Let's go to Android and change it to switch platform. It will take some time. Yeah, it's done. Now you know this. Take this as 1280 into 720 because it's a landscape game. Take the resolution as 1280 into 720. Yeah, this one. I have created these two sprites in Photoshop. Yeah, this one. We need to see this. How does it look in game menu? So yeah. Scale it. Yeah, fine. And for the bottom one, this one spider 2. It is little bit different. It is not the mirror for it. See, it is little bit different. Yeah, fine. Camera is adjusted as it is. See, when you play it, maximize. Yeah, fine. It looks like this. We will change the background to some solid color. Yeah, for now we'll put it as white. Now it is our player with this one. Player is little big, so I'll scale it down to some small image by holding shift. Yeah. I'll put these spider 1, spider 2 images in 0 layer. Okay. And for this one it is 1 layer. See, because why I change the layer, it means, see, if it is -1 layer, you can see the difference. If it is 1 layer, see, this is the reason I change it to 1 layer, and these backgrounds are for 0 layer. And we need to give the jump functionality to it. For this, I'm taking any game object and naming it as empty game object, like giving a name as jump script, and I'm creating a script jump scr. Open it in Mono Developer. Yeah, fine. Now we will take game objects. Yeah. First of all, I'll tell you about the hinge joint. We'll take the physics 2D hinge joint 2D, and basically hinge joint is, I'll show you. This one is the anchor. Yeah. See, basically we are not using this one. This is a hinge joint. It is an illusion that the game uses the hinge joint and jumping on it. So the logic is we won't use any hinge joint. Instead of that, we use add force using script. So we will take two game objects, two public game objects in that. Name this as first one as player M, I'm giving it as, and the second one, let's name it as, let it be as obj2. We will change it in the future. And I'm taking one object, I'm taking one variable as float. I'll keep it as speed p, I mean it's a player speed, and taking two dummy variables like int I1 equal to 0, comma I2, like, yeah, for now I1 is enough, one variable. Now I am going to update and making it as late update. Why late update? Because if it is an update and there are more processual function and it will load to our CPU, when it will use more CPU, and for late update is for this game late update is enough. Now I'll take this functionality. If input dot get mouse button 0, it means the left click, or in the device it is the single touch. Input dot get mouse button 0, I mean if the left click is clicked, then we will set the player rigid body, like we will set the kinematic is equal to false, like it is our player and it is rigid body. See, basically it is not kinematic. What happens when I play this? It falls. When if it is in kinematic, when I play this, it won't fall. For the first touch, we'll making our player to false, and okay, and we will go for like if this one, if I1 is equals to 0, or I1 pluses. Why I1 pluses? Because for the first touch, it is I1. When if it is I1 is equals to 0, it will go through this and it will make it as I1 as 1. Why I1 as 1? Because it will work for only one frame. I want it to work for only one frame. If I remove this, then when I click, for example, if I hold my left button for 2 seconds, then our input dot add force will work for 2 seconds. Then I don't want that. I want it to work for only 1 second, one frame. For first frame only it will work. See, for first frame, I'm making clear m dot game object dot rigid body dot add force. For first frame of left click, I am giving the add force on x-axis 250 and y-axis 250. It's the research value for spider square. This is the perfect value. If you want your player to jump very fast, you can change this value. Like if you want your player to move more horizontally than vertically, then you can put this value as 300. If you want more vertical than horizontally, then you can put this value to 300, 200. You can play this value, but I found the 250, 250 are the optimal values for this game. Let's check with these values. We have not attached the script. I attached the script, and player m is our player. Now let's play. There is then a parsing error. Maybe this error is for yeah, I understood. There is no semicolon for this. Let's play. See, it worked for only first frame. Did you see? Like, see. No, now it's not working when I'm clicking. Now it's not working even I click. Now we have to change this value again to I1 is equal to 0 when I lift the mouse up. So for that, I will change. I will put I1 is equals to 0. Now you see, not working. Let me see. I1 is equals to 0. I1 equal to 0. The error is, yeah, I got it. Why it's not working? Because we just put this in the inner loop of if function. We have to remove this. So we have to put this outside of this first if condition. Yeah, if input dot get mouse button 0, I1 will become 0. Now let's save and play. See, first click, second click, third click, it's running, but camera is not following because we have not given the script. It's too fast. We have to control the speed also, because even I click it, it's too fast. It's too fast. Oh, sorry, we have not saved the scene. I'm saving it as game 1. Save the scenes. Yeah, it's too fast. How to control that? And before that, like the camera should be followed, right? The camera should be followed, and these things should be repeated, like spider 1, spider 2, spider 1, spider 2, and these things should be repeated. Let's see that in the next video.